Westpak perteu kutam Adani rapan benar bag Adani Groups company kan bay silak Klur na kamtaban kenteu ya North East ka India hari ni kispeu Snem banwan. Ya kan rapan benar bakran ha Rising North East Summit. Bolong hamta kasengi ka apulai tarik jemang japsan ha nong ba Delhi hakba sekilang tedang ba du kari Narendra Modi kim tedang ba kejela North East kentuk kondat kesangma na Meghalaya. Syuai kani hau benai rempang Adani rapan benar yak jingbei Pisa ka basan pau hajar Klur ha Assam bat menta kasengi benar sa san pau hajar Klur na menta ban sinakam bat kentewi gikam ha kan ketany setilam engi ke India ke bagan tup ha green energy bagan tup ya ke penjing ha tenat boarding ke surok ha digital bat ke jing jing hikai gikam ni skill and vocational training center na lakiwei pan
Modi ji, Honorable Chief Ministers of Northeastern States, His Excellency Governor of Manipur, Honorable Union Minister Sri Sindhya ji, Captains of Industry, and esteemed guests. Namaskar. It is an honor to be speaking at the Rising Northeast Investor Summit. Over the past decade, in the hills and valleys of the Northeast, a new chapter in India's growth story is unfolding. A story rooted in diversity, resilience, and untapped potential. This region is now a source of our cultural pride, economic promise, and a strategic directions. And behind this rise is the vision of one leader who recognizes no borders, only beginnings. Honorable Prime Minister, when you said, act east, act fast, act first, you gave the Northeast is a wake-up call. 65 personal visits, 6.2 lakhs crores of investment since 2014, doubling the road network to 16,000 kilometers, doubling the number of airports to 18. This is not just a policy. It is your hallmark of a big thinking. It is the hallmark of your belief systems. It is the hallmark of your convictions in a Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. 3 months ago, in Assam, we pledged an investment of rupees 50,000 crores. Today, once again, humble and inspired by your leadership, I announce that Adani Group will invest additional 50,000 crores across the Northeast over the next 10 years. Our focus will span green energy, including smart meters, hydro, pump storage, power transmission, roads and highways, digital infrastructure, logistics, as well as capacity building through skilling and vocational training centers. But more than infrastructures, we will invest in people. Every initiative will prioritize local jobs, local entrepreneurships, and a community engagement. This is what Viksit Bharat 2047 is all about. Honorable Prime Minister, we will walk in step with your vision. Honorable Chief Ministers, we will hold hands with your people. Honorable Minister of Northeast, will echo your mission. And to our brothers and sisters of Northeast, we at Adani will stand beside your dreams, your dignity, and your destiny. Thank you. Jai Hind.